Welcome. In front of me is a SHARP Aquos C10, and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So we can start off by holding the power key and selecting power off, like so. And while the device is shutting off, you want to get ready a cable that is used for charging, plug it into your computer, and then connect it to the phone itself. Without the cable, you won't be able to access the recovery mode, so it's a requirement. Give it a moment after plugging in, it's gonna soon show us the battery percentage. Okay, so once you see the battery percentage, we can now hold power key and volume up. Hold both of those keys at the same time. And once you see the SHARP logo, you can let go. So right now you can let go. And we should see the Android with no command. So to get past this, all you need to do is hold power key and tap volume up once. So hold, press, and we're now in recovery mode. So from here, we don't really need the cable anymore. So I'm just gonna unplug it and put up the phone upright so we can actually see it. And from here, in the recovery mode, you will use volume keys up and down to navigate, up and down respectively, like so. And power key will be used to confirm. And from here you can reboot the system, reboot to download mode, apply updates, wipe data, which is factory reset, mount system, view logs, run graph test, and power off the device. I'm gonna simply select reboot system now, which will boot the device back to the Android system. So once it's selected, I only confirm it with the power key and it immediately starts the process. And you can see that we're now back in the Android. So that is how you would enter and exit the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.